Hello, welcome to Accounting Hub. I'm Professor George Carpin, PhD in accounting, and our topic today is capital investment decisions, net present value, or NPV. Capital budget is the process of making capital investment decisions. So, if we have capital investment decisions, we need at least two decisions, and then we will choose the best one. And capital investment means acquiring a capital assets, examples, equipment, plants, vehicle, and information technology. We have four methods. So we have four videos, and the videos they are in our video description. Payback period, accounting rate of return, net present value, and internal rate of return. And net present value, factor in net present value, better for longer lifespan. So here, what do we work? So let's go to our Excel file. We have two equipments here, equipment A and B. We will be choosing which one we will be purchasing. So if we are talking about net present value, we need to bring all of these numbers here to their present value. If you are not familiar with present value, we also have a video about present value, and it is also in our video description. Okay? So here, no residual value for both. And then this is the cash inflows. Equipment number one, $450,000 per year. Equipment A, 450,000 per year. Equipment B, a lot of different numbers here per year. Okay? And and by the way, we have here this file here is for all of our four methods. So here, payback, accounting rate of return, internal rate of return, and so on. Okay, so we have here our methods, our four methods. So what is the main topic here? These $450,000 today, it is not the same $450,000 in 6 years. So we need to bring all of these numbers here to the present value. And if we have the same numbers all the time, we are talking about annuities. So you also need to know about annuities. And we also have a video about annuities, and it is in our video description. So we have 5 videos in our video description. Present value, annuities, payback period, accounting rate of return, and internal rate of return. Okay? And also this Excel file, it is in our video description. So here, present value of an annuity. So let's go to formulas. It's easier for you to follow me. Let's go here, all. You will be able to find it. Present value, so P. Present value, PV. What do we have here? Rates, 8%. Because the cost of our equipment is 1.5 million, doesn't matter, equipment A and B, they have the same cost, and our discount rate is 8%. Number of periods, we have 5 years here, so 5. PMT, negative 450. Why negative? Because present value and PMT, they have opposite signs. So if we don't insert negative here, our answer will be negative. Future value would be our residual value. We have no residual value here, but we can have here. And then if you type a number here, it is easier. And type, we leave it blank. So here, the present value of an annuity, it is our almost 1.6, $1.8 million, sorry. Plus residual value. We have no residual value here. And so let's change it here. Let's follow the file here. So let's go back again to present value. And then rate 8. Number of periods 5, PMT negative 450, and leave everything else blank. Yes, 1.8. And then our residual value is the same formula. So let's go here, most recent used, PV, rate 8%, number of period 5, PMT nothing, FV negative, residual value. Nothing. Okay, now the formula is easier. If you want to change the numbers here, it's up to you. Less initial investment, 1.5. We don't need present value here because the investment is now. So this is the present value. So our net present value is present value of our annuities. So this $2.2 million, we bring it in the present value less initial investment 296. What is the profitability index? It is not so useful here because we have the same initial investment. However, if we have different initial investments, we will not be able to compare those net present values because it is two different scales here. So we have a profitability index, present value of net cash inflows divided by initial investment. So what do we have here? Present value of net cash inflow 1.7, initial investment 1.5. So the profitability index is 1.20. Okay? And here we have the same, the present value, here initial investment, here profitability index. For now, nothing. Okay? And usually in the profitability index, we don't consider residual value. Okay? What about equipment B? Equipment B here, we have a problem here because we cannot do the present value of the annuity because our net cash inflows is not the same. We have some tricky formulas here, but the easiest one is, let's consider all of these numbers as future values and let's bring them to the present value. So present value here, let's go to the formulas, function, most recently used present value, and rate 8%. Let's fix it because we will be copying and pasting this formula. Number of periods, the first year will be 1, second year 2, 3, 4, 5. So here our no fix here. PMT, nothing. We are considered the future value. So future value, it is here. And now we copy and paste this formula until year 5. Whoa, 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 whoa. We have a problem here. Paste the numbers. So let's paste the formulas. And then let's sum it. Now this is our present value. Residual value, we work with present value of the residual value again. Present value, rate 8, number of period is still 5, PMT nothing, future value, this one, nothing, less initial investment, $1.5 million. And then the net present value is present value of the annuity plus residual value less investment. And paste this formula here. Go. We have greater present value here. So equipment B is better than equipment A. And also we have greater profitability index. And probably we will have greater internal rate of return. Yes, we have greater internal rate of return as well. However, internal rate of return is not the topic of this video. Check for our internal rate of return video. Okay, guys, so thank you so much. If you have questions or comments, leave it here or email me at jscarping@gmail.com. Subscribe our channel. You will be the first one to know when a new video arrives. and like our Facebook page, Accounting Hub by Dr. Scarpin, and like this video. Okay, guys, have a very nice day and God bless you.